Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, this was a video suggested by Ornella. Thank you, Ornella. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to cornrow your hair. This is a beginner's guide. This is a back to basics. This is a how-to. So I'm just going to show you guys how to cornrow your hair. Hopefully it's easy to understand, and by the end of this video, you know how to cornrow your hair. So let's begin. So when you're beginning to cornrow your hair, you first begin by sectioning out your hair into the different sections that you want. I'm only going to be sectioning out just a small bit just to teach you guys as a demonstration. I'm not going to be sectioning my entire head out because I'm not cornrowing my hair out. I've actually just taken it out of cornrows, so I really need to wash it and just give it some love before I put it back into some cornrows. So what I'm going to be doing to help demonstrate this is I'm going to tie a section of my hair up. This is not how you begin a cornrow. Obviously, you know this. I'm going to be doing this to demonstrate. So what I'm going to be using is 3 different colored ribbons that I'm going to be attaching to my hair. During this demonstration, I'm going to tell you which ribbons is going to be doing what. So the colors of the ribbons, I'm not too sure what color that lighter one is, but I'm just going to say it's blue, pink, and champagne. Those are the 2 ribbon colors that we're going to be working with. Okay, so to first begin with, you need to part your 3 sections of hair, so your 3 different ribbons. So I've got hair that's sort of covered by the ribbons, but there's hair under there. So first what you're going to do is you're going to take your right hand, which is holding your pink ribbon. You're going to take your index finger, your wiggly finger there, and go under the blue ribbon with the hair to clasp the champagne ribbon. Then you're going to go back to the other side with the blue ribbon, go under the champagne ribbon to clasp the pink ribbon, and you're going to pull that so that it's taut. Right? So you're going to get your wiggly finger from your champagne ribbon and go under the pink ribbon to clasp your blue ribbon. And you pull your blue ribbon to the middle. And that's pretty much it, guys. It's quite a repetitive motion. The tricky part is getting into the rhythm and knowing exactly what to get. So I'm going to go through it again. So we're starting again with the right hand. So I'm going to get the right hand with the pink ribbon, go under the blue ribbon with my index finger to grab the champagne ribbon. Then I grab the blue ribbon and I go under the champagne ribbon to grasp the pink ribbon. Now, this is so much easier to do when your hair is well moisturized. Either it's wet or you have a leave-in conditioner and you've detangled your hair. I had wet my hair, but it had dried by this point in time. So as you can see, it's a little bit tough for me. I should have actually stopped and moisturized my hair, but I didn't. But we learn now. Once you get into the rhythm of that, you can go a little bit quicker and you know what you're doing. So what you're always doing is you're using your hand to grab the piece of hair from the opposite hand. So I'm calling it ribbons, but this would be your hair. I've just used ribbons so that you can visually see what exactly is happening. But it's really easy, guys. Once you get in the rhythm of it, you know exactly what you're doing. Try it a few times. Try it with ribbon if you need to try it with ribbon, and then try it again with your normal hair, and you'll see that it'll start looking somewhat like a cornrow. This takes patience and this takes time, repetition and learning, guys. This is one of those things that you get a lot better as you go. The more that I've been braiding my own hair, the better I've become at it. So this is what it ends up looking like. Obviously, when you're doing this with your own hair, it'll look so much better and so much nicer. If you need any help or something was a little bit confusing, don't be afraid to message me or comment down below, and I'll reply as soon as I can. yeah, I hope you guys have liked this video. Make sure to comment down below if you've tried it and it worked for you, and make sure to like the video if you like the video. I will see you guys next week. I love you guys so much. Mwah.